Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Sending mass emails in QuickBooks saves time when you need to reach many customers at once. This process is different depending on whether you use QuickBooks Online or the desktop version. In QuickBooks Online, start by navigating to the Sales menu and selecting Invoices. You will see a list of all your transactions. Check the boxes next to the specific invoices you want to send. After selecting them, click the Batch Actions button at the top of the list. Choose the Send option from the drop-down menu to email everyone simultaneously. If you use QuickBooks Desktop, the process happens through the Send Forms window. First, ensure your invoices are marked to be sent later. Go to the File menu and select Send Forms. A list of all pending emails will appear on your screen. You can review the recipients and the subject lines here. Click the Send Now button to dispatch all selected emails immediately. Before sending, always verify your email preferences. Go to Settings or Edit and then Preferences to link your Outlook or Gmail account correctly. This ensures your messages do not end up in spam folders. You can also customize your email templates to make them look professional. Adding a personal touch to the body text helps build better customer relationships. Mass emailing is perfect for monthly statements or overdue payment reminders. It eliminates the need to open each individual record one by one. Using these batch features keeps your workflow efficient and your books up to date. This simple method helps you get paid faster by reaching your entire client base with a few clicks.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.